80% of businesses make this one mistake every single day. And it's the one reason why their competitors keep growing faster than your business. My name's Ajay Dhunna from Aimpro Digital, and I help business owners just like yours to get more leads and more inquiries flowing into their business by using simple but smart marketing strategies. Now, it's easy to keep relying on your marketing agency because your marketing agency will keep telling you we're handling it. Our ads are performing well. It's your fault or there's something else wrong. Excuses after excuses. But here's the real truth, okay? So, how do you actually know whether they're telling you the truth? How do you know what they're doing is good for you or is it good for them? Because you haven't got a clue, right? That's where we're talking about today. This is exactly what we're talking about. And by the end of this video, you'll know the two actions that your business needs to take, which can completely transform your business, whether you work with an agency or you're working with a freelancer. Now, let's face it, most business owners are busy. You're managing your customers, your staff, your cash flow, and everything else under the sun. So it's easy to hand it over to your marketing agency and say, here, you deal with it. But here's the problem. Many marketing agencies make their money when you don't understand what they are doing. Because if you did, you'd start asking them questions. You would start holding them accountable. And you'd know whether your money is actually generating leads or just paying for activity. I see all the time a business owner comes to me and says, AJ, we've been running our Google ads for 6 months, but we're not getting any real inquiries. I took a quick look, and within 15 minutes, I spotted the issues. Wrong targeting, wasted ad spend, broken tracking, and a website that is leaking leads. And every single time, business owners come to me and say, I wish I understood this earlier, or I wish I'd known this earlier. What you need to realize is that you cannot manage anything that you don't understand. And that's where the biggest problem is. So let's talk about the biggest mistake. The number one biggest mistake that 80% of businesses totally ignore is learning how marketing actually works. They'll spend thousands of pounds on new logos, rebranding, fancy business cards, or a new showroom, but almost nothing on understanding what actually brings them customers through that door. Because marketing isn't about how your business looks, it's about what makes that phone ring. It's about how to fill in your diary. It's about how to drive in consistent leads and inquiries into your business every single day. Until you don't understand that, marketing will always feel like a bit of a gamble. So let me ask you a few questions just to test you out. What are the easiest ways of getting website traffic to your business? How can AI become your best friend and help you generate leads 24 hours a day, 7 days a week? And what's the tweaks that you need to do that could turn your website into a powerful conversion machine? Now, these three questions I've asked you, if you're not sure, then you're not alone, because most businesses aren't. Most businesses haven't got a clue. But it also means you're probably missing out on a ton of customers every single week without even realizing it. So what can you do about it? So there are two actions that can completely change and transform your results. Action one, learning marketing. And no, I don't mean going away and studying for a marketing degree. I mean learning the absolute basics that directly impact your income. You should know how to check if your Google Ads campaigns are running or converting properly. You should understand what makes your website appear on Google Maps. You should know how to tell if your SEO is bringing you real traffic or is it just costing you clicks and costing you money. Because once you understand Even 20% of this, you'll make better decisions, spot problems faster, and never be left in the dark again. When you learn marketing, you become unshakable because now you know how your business actually attracts customers. So this is where you need to start. Your first action will be to hit that subscribe button. So hit it now. Go on then. I'm waiting. You haven't hit it yet. Hit that subscribe button because every single week I share practical, no fluff videos to help business owners just like yours to get your business online and to win customers fast. Action 2 is get yourself a personalized marketing roadmap. Every business is different. What works for one dentist won't work for a car garage or an estate agent or a law firm for that matter. That's why I offer a free marketing consultation. We'll jump onto a short call. I'll look at what your business is doing right now. We'll see what your competitors are doing and where they're getting their customers from, and we'll identify what's holding your business back from getting more customers through that door. I'll then create a simple step-by-step roadmap showing you exactly what you need to do next, whether that's improving your Google Maps ranking, whether it's fixing your website conversions, or whether you need to run smarter ads that actually generate inquiries and makes that phone ring. There will be no hard sell, just clarity. And honestly, most people who leave the call says it's the most useful 20 minutes that they've ever invested in the whole month. So if you're serious about growing your business, go to booking.aimpro.co.uk and either schedule a call or click the link below and schedule a call and book yourself a slot before all the slots have gone. So here's the takeaway. Don't keep handing over your marketing to another company when you don't know what good looks like. Take control. Understand what's happening behind the scenes, and then you can talk to your marketing agency in a language that they will be scared to talk to you because you now understand it. You need to know what good looks like, what a good marketing campaign to looks like, what sort of numbers you should be looking at, because the businesses that are growing the fast aren't the ones with the biggest budgets. It's those who understand how to market successfully and they understand what marketing is. So again, step 1, learn marketing. Hit that subscribe button right now and let's start building your knowledge. Have you done that yet? If you haven't, again, you're procrastinating. So hit that subscribe button. Every single week, I help businesses just like yours to get more customers into their business and tell them strategies which a lot of agencies will not tell their own customers. And step 2 is book yourself onto a free consultation by clicking the link below or going to booking.aimpro.co.uk and get your personalized roadmap. Because when you understand your marketing, you take control of your business's growth. My name's Ajay Dhunna from Aimpro Digital. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye for now.